What's happening with Bitcoin? It went from 102,000 all the way to 98. Are we cooked? What's going on? Well, let's get into it. All right, so the first thing that we have is Bitcoin going from 108,000 all the way to 91,000 from swing high to swing low. We are at the 618. This is a common place to get rejected. Let me show you some examples. All right, so on the top, we have Bitcoin on the 2-hour time frame. We have XRP in the middle on the 3-day time frame, and we have Bitcoin on the 3-day time frame. The Bitcoin is from 2017 through 2020. XRP is from 2017 through 2023. And Bitcoin is the micro analysis as structurally what I think is happening right now. So you have from the swing high to the swing low, dead cat bounce to the golden ratio of the 618. That is exactly what has happened. And the same thing happened for XRP. From the swing high to the swing low, dead cat bounce to the golden ratio of the 618. Same thing for Bitcoin, swing high to swing low, dead cat bounce to the 618 Fibonacci retracement. And I can just show you this real quick for you guys. Swing high to swing low, you will see the 618 Fibonacci retracement. So what is the end of the story and where does this like to go? You get rejected very commonly off of the 618 ratio, back test the prior range, getting rejected off of the 618 ratio, back testing the prior range. What we commonly see in this is going back to the 382 as low as the 236 is pretty common. XRP went a little bit lower than that. But most of the time when Bitcoin was spent at the 382 and the 236, we did have the crash below. But even so, even on the craziest event of C19, it did not even go below the low. So I anticipate this low to hold even on a black swan type of event, this was one of the worst ones in history right here. But realistically, we would anticipate the 382 to hold, and maybe to the 236 if we get low lucky. That'd be about 95,000. I anticipate 97,000 to hold. And on the macro, this trend has been holding. This was a classic fake out in my opinion. We had multiple support at $92,000. I anticipate this to hold. And the next thing after the reaccumulation, we'll show this in a minute, is starting the micro bull run. The good news is this is on a micro time frame, so I don't think that this is going to take that much time to play out. In fact, during my live stream this morning, we were actually at $102,000 when it started, and I outlined this scenario of us coming back to the 382. It actually did it during the live stream. The next leg up is going to take us to about $118,000, which we can see for Bitcoin starting the next leg up, and we can see for XRP starting the next leg up. This is what I anticipate for Bitcoin, a little bit of reaccumulation. This is on a micro time frame. Again, I want to point this out. This is on the 2-hour time frame. So this could play out in a day or two before starting to work its way out of here. In the medium term, I would anticipate by the end of January or February, we're going to be at $118,000. So what should you do? Well, find your high conviction plays that you believe in, low to no inflation, that have high upside potential, low downside risk, aka lots of support at the bottom, and DCA, and follow me for more, you savages.
Damn, hustling.